Number 1. The 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, priced at $7,000, features a two-door hardtop coupe body, powered by a 394 Ci V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The exterior was repainted yellow in the 1980s, accented with aluminum side moldings. Some rust areas are present, including on the hood and around the wheels, with body repairs on the roof and wheel wells. The interior has two-tone gray vinyl upholstery, power windows, an electrically adjustable driver's seat, a center console, and an AM push-button radio. It includes upgraded front disc brakes, rear air shocks, a dual exhaust system, and a new aluminum radiator. The steering wheel has cracks, and there is corrosion on the doors. The windshield wipers are non-functional, and some letters are missing on the front. The car has 14-inch steel wheels with hubcaps and Hankook tires. Additional and removed parts are included, such as a red hood, chrome trim, and wheel covers. But there is no title, only registered in New York State. Number 2. The 1966 Pontiac Le Mans, priced at $4,200, is in good, well-maintained condition. Its exterior features smooth, glossy new paint, and the clean interior has black leather seats. The odometer reads 90,000 miles, with a solid floor and trunk. It runs on an original 326 V8 engine with an automatic transmission, matching its matching numbers description, indicating both engine and transmission are original. Components like tires, rims, cables, hoses, belts, carburetor, battery, electrical relays, and braking system have been updated. Although factory-equipped with AC, the compressor has been removed. The engine is clean and ready to drive without issues. Number 3. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $6,500, is powered by a 468 V8 big block engine with a 700 R4 transmission. The engine was tested using an external fuel tank and successfully ran. The car's interior is in good condition with black leather seats, but the exterior has some rust issues, especially around the vinyl roof area and the driver's floor, which needs partial repair. Although rust is present, most of the body and frame remain in good condition. The car was stored for a year by its first owner and currently has a clean title. However, it's not yet road-ready, as it requires brake repairs and a replacement floor shifter. The price is set low for a quick sale and is firm. Number 4. The 1963 Pontiac Le Mans, priced at $5,900, is in need of a full restoration. Its exterior sports faded marimba red paint with surface rust on the hood, rust holes in the fender and door, and spots of rust in various areas. Scratches, paint cracks, and rust are present on the side panels and other parts, including the plastic window of the white convertible roof. The passenger door is in good condition, but the driver's door has surface rust. The front seat shows wear on its edges, and the back seat has a small tear. The plastic steering wheel is cracked, and some instruments, such as the speedometer, are non-functional. It has a 195 Ci inline 4-cylinder engine with a 3-speed manual transmission, but rust and some mechanical damage necessitate repairs to the brake system and other components. The car's underside has surface rust with some areas experiencing deeper corrosion. Number 5. The 1973 Mercury Comet, priced at $9,000, has a classic, eye-catching appearance. Painted white with orange side stripes, the car is in good condition with shiny paint. Its 302 V8 engine is said to run well without leaks, with recent maintenance including a new radiator, battery, and tires. The brown interior has seats in reasonably good condition, though some areas show signs of age. The engine area is clean and the chassis is reported to be sturdy. The car includes a vinyl roof that is still in decent shape, although it may need attention for upkeep. The previous owner offers a safety inspection and notes selling it due to lack of time or space for storage. Number 6. The 1967 Ford LTD, priced at $8,000, has 62,000 miles, equipped with a 289 engine and 3-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle retains its original powertrain and interior, making it unique and authentic. While it's functional and roadworthy, some repairs are needed, including headliner work and wiring. Overall, the car is in very good condition, especially as the owner has kept it since 1982, mostly stored indoors and protected from the weather. The sale includes some extra parts, such as a C6 transmission, two 351 Windsor engines from 1970 and 1971, both needing repairs, as well as other engine parts. Number 7. The 1966 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $6,500, is a two-door hardtop powered by a 350 SBC engine with a turbo 350 transmission. The car is drivable, though it needs repairs in various areas. Rust is present on the fender, quarter panel, and door, while the floor has been patched with metal plates affixed with rivets. The interior has SS-style bucket seats, though some seat areas are slightly worn. A new AMD hood has been installed, but overall, the interior shows signs of wear. The car is offered at an affordable cash price with no trade options. Number 8. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $3,900, has a small block Chevy 350 engine. The engine and transmission were updated in 2012, including flat-top pistons, a forged crankshaft, upgraded camshaft, and a Holley 650 carburetor. The engine has a 4-bolt main configuration paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission. The exterior is in solid condition, with minimal wear or major body modifications. The interior retains a classic style with aged but well-kept green seats, showing some signs of wear. Overall, the car is road-ready and appealing to classic car enthusiasts, especially those seeking a car with enhanced engine power. Number 9. The 1971 Pontiac Granville, priced at $9,000, has a 455 4BBBL engine and turbo 400 transmission, retaining its original drivetrain with 49,000 miles. The car has a solid exterior with an older repaint still in good shape. The interior features blue leather seats, though the carpet needs replacement. The buyer will receive replacement carpet and padding provided by the seller. The engine runs well, though the carburetor may need cleaning or repairs as it tends to flood after being idle for long periods. The rear suspension may need new springs as the car sits slightly low in the back. The car has had routine maintenance, including fluid changes and new spark plugs. Number 10. The 1967 Dodge Monaco 500, priced at $5,500, has a 383 cubic inch V8 engine, a 4-barrel carburetor, a 3-speed transmission, and a dual exhaust system. Features include power windows and seats, though the power seat does not work. The interior has bucket seats, clean with some minor cosmetic flaws, and a few small scratches on the body, but no significant body damage. The rear passenger floor has a small hole, and the front needs repairs to the ball joint and bushing. The car is operational and drivable. The seller is the second owner, having bought it from the first owner's family, and has the original bill of sale. Number 11. The 1965 Pontiac Laurentian, priced at $9,000, is a true survivor in excellent condition. All interior parts are original and well-maintained, with minimal wear appropriate for a car of its age. All chrome on this car is also original and looks like new, reflecting careful care by previous owners. The car includes full original documentation, including the first purchase invoice. Its 6-cylinder engine has only 38,000 miles, indicating it was rarely used, but remains in excellent performance condition. Number 12. The 1971 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $8,000, has a 400 engine upgraded with a cam, a new Edelbrock carburetor, and a dual exhaust, producing a powerful and impressive sound. The braking system has been completely replaced, ensuring good braking performance. The exterior is very solid with no signs of rust, showing that the body is well preserved. However, the interior needs further restoration due to worn areas like the seats and center console. Additional parts are included and the price is negotiable. Number 13. The 1963 Mercury Meteor, priced at $3,700, is a classic 4-door sedan with a 221 cubic inch CI V8 engine and a column-mounted manual transmission. The body may not be perfect but remains appealing. The engine was updated in 2020 with a Pertronics kit for electronic ignition, a new clutch, and a reconditioned transmission. The brake system was completely overhauled in 2019, and the rear leaf springs were replaced the same year. The radiator and heater were replaced in 2021, along with other parts since 2019. The car has been registered and insured, with the current owner since 2018. Perfect for a leisurely Sunday drive, like a trip for ice cream. Number 14. The 1962 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $9,000, has 52,000 miles on the odometer and matching numbers on its original engine. This two-door hardtop model is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance. The interior is well maintained, featuring a classic dashboard with iconic analog gauges. Several components have been upgraded, including the exhaust system and fuel tank, enhancing its reliability and performance. The exterior is elegantly painted in maroon, accentuating its classic appeal, with original emblems and accessories still intact, making it a rare and valuable piece for classic car enthusiasts. Number 15. The 1952 Studebaker Champion, priced at $9,000, remains in excellent condition. The exterior features a glossy black paint without scratches. The windows are flawless, free of cracks or scratches, and come with new weather stripping. The interior has been refreshed with original fabric, offering maximum comfort and authentic styling. The steering and braking systems function smoothly, providing a stable driving experience. The underside is clean and rust-free, as the car originated from a warm climate area, protecting it from corrosion. The chrome on the bumpers and other trim shines with no signs of rust or damage, reflecting careful maintenance. This vehicle previously won first place at the Rod Custom Car Show, making it a desirable choice for collectors with an attractive offering price. There are still many more cars to showcase in the next video, my friends. Don't forget to turn on notifications for this channel.